Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing review and install on my coconut carbon air filters. So these are super neat. So I've been wanting to install like an air purifier or like an air filter in my room, because sometimes you get, I just for what is in my room, feel like I get a lot of allergies, but like this is gonna be super cool to have. So I'll just show you what they look like and then we'll show you how to install them. Check it out. So this is what they look like. Got a little tape on the bottom, but they literally just go on your ceiling fan. And you won't even be able to see them because you won't put them on the bottom. You'll actually just put them on the top piece, so they're literally invisible. And they even send you a little cleaning cloth so you can clean the top of it, which mine are probably for overdue anyway. But what it really helps with is mold, chemical gases, allergens. I saw even smoke. This will definitely help purify your air. And the cool piece is that they're good for 1 to 3 months. So that's one of the things that I really did like. And like I said, they're so easy to install, and they're really, really cost effective as well. So this is, like I said, what they look like. They are coconut carbon air filters. So if you don't know that, coconut carbon is a renewable source that traps these allergens. All right, so let's see how to get these installed, and let's put them on the ceiling fan. All right, so I actually just finished wiping it down. As you can see, you definitely want to make sure you wipe it down before installing these. So now that it's ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and install all 5 of these, and just show how easy it is to install. So we'll take off the piece right here. All right, and then we'll go ahead and put it on top of the ceiling fan. All right, and we literally just want to put it on top, and then just, you don't need a whole lot of pressure, just a little bit. And that's done. We'll go ahead and do all of them now. All right, and it is literally good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it on. And it's like having an air purifier just by turning on that ceiling fan. So let's turn it on. All right, and as you can see, we're just applying just minimal pressure. It's already working and they're not flying off, and they're already working. So if you're looking for some good air purifiers, air filters, I highly recommend these coconut ones. Definitely a 10 out of 10.